New arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a rotisserie restored 1970 GMC Jimmy, big block 396, four-wheel drive, small lift on it. Just super nice. Ice cold air, power disc brakes, power steering. Just attention to detail on this. Super nice vehicle. Find all these pictures we've got on the website at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. And that's 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. We'll be able to answer any questions you have. You'd like to fly in, forward us your itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classic cars, SUVs, trucks. Take it for a ride. We'll put it up on a lift. We'll make sure it's a good fit. And this is just nicely done. Comprehensive restoration on this bad boy. Got a little mist starting to come in, so we gotta make this a little quicker. But just super, super nice truck. See down the sides. All the chrome trim bright work is absolutely fantastic on it. We just got it in, wiped it down. We're gonna go in and do a complete full detail on this, but this thing is just super nice. Look at that. We're gonna take it for a spin. Make this video a little shorter than we normally would. Got the rain coming in, unfortunately. Get her back and get it dried off. But what a nice ride. Located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. We're about 20-25 minutes from the international airport, St. Louis International or Lambert International, one and the same. www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 100 pictures, detailed pictures of the vehicle, good written description. Lots of other vehicles we have. Turn that off for now. Everything on the vehicle works and functions as it should. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. You're interested in purchasing a 70 GMC Jimmy. Comprehensive restoration to a very high level, inside out. Just an excellent running and driving. Big block, power disc brakes, power steering, lifted, ice cold air, upgraded sound system. Just a nice, nice ride. Good body lines, great paint, all the chrome trim bright work. It's absolutely fantastic. www.westportautocenter.com. The suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. Fenton is the town. We have 3 warehouses full of classic trucks, SUVs, and cars. westportautocenter.com. Thanks for watching.